Hey there, I'm Mike with the Annuity Expert. Today, we're going to discuss the one retirement strategy everyone overlooks. Let's start with the 4 most common withdrawal strategies for retirement. First, there's the take what you need approach. Simple in theory, but it requires a lot of discipline and self-management. It's easy to miscalculate and risk running out of money before you run out of time. Next is the popular 4% rule. You withdraw 4% of your portfolio in the first year, adjust for inflation annually, and theoretically, your savings last 30 years. The problem? It's based on past market performance, which is never a guarantee. Plus, it's rigid and doesn't allow flexibility for unexpected expenses. Then, there's the glide path strategy. You start with more stocks for growth and shift to bonds as you age. While it reduces risk over time, it could also limit your growth potential, and there's still no guarantee you won't outlive your assets. Finally, the guardrail strategy sets a spending floor and ceiling based on your portfolio's performance. It offers flexibility but leaves you at the mercy of market fluctuations. You'll need to adjust spending as the market rises and falls, which can create financial stress. Before we jump back into the video, let us introduce you to the Annuity Expert, your trusted resource for financial guidance. At the Annuity Expert, we provide tools, insights, and expert advice to help you make confident financial decisions and achieve your goals. Our learning labs are designed to simplify complex topics like annuities, insurance, and retirement planning. With expert guides, personal finance tips, and product reviews, you'll find everything you need to build a stable and secure financial future. If you're looking to grow your savings, check out today's interest rates. You can shop and compare the latest rates to find the best opportunities for your financial needs. We also offer a suite of free financial calculators designed to help you plan smarter and achieve your goals. From retirement and investing to insurance, our tools cover a wide range of financial needs. Whether you're estimating retirement income, projecting savings growth, or evaluating insurance options, these calculators empower you to take control of your financial future with confidence. For personalized advice, speak with our licensed financial professionals for free. Share your goals, concerns, and unique circumstances, and together we'll craft a plan tailored to your needs. Visit the Annuity Expert today and start taking steps toward the financial future you deserve. These strategies each have their merits but share one big flaw. They don't completely eliminate the fear of outliving your money. That's where a guaranteed lifetime withdrawal benefit, GLWB, annuity comes in. A GLWB annuity guarantees income for life no matter how the market performs or how long you live. Even better, many include inflation protection, so your income can grow over time. Unlike the other strategies, it provides stability and peace of mind, allowing you to focus on enjoying retirement instead of constantly worrying about money. So why isn't this strategy more widely recommended? The answer lies in how financial advisors get paid. Many earn commissions or ongoing fees from the products they sell. Since annuities often involve a one-time commission, they might steer clients toward more complex investments that require ongoing management and more fees. Their interests don't always align with what's best for you. That's why it's essential to do your homework and explore all your options. A GLWB annuity could be the missing piece to create a secure and predictable retirement income. So, if you want to learn more, don't hesitate to reach out. You can visit us online at the Annuity Expert or call us to schedule a free consultation at 770-755-1565. Again, that's 770-755-1565. Also, if you want more tips on your retirement, like and subscribe. Remember, it's never too early to start planning for your future.